If you are wondering if Quick Share on Google Pixel 10a works with AirDrop on iPhone, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. At least right now it seems that it is not supported. Usually you can go ahead and try to share something. So let's say I'm gonna open this photo over here. We are supposed to share it by using Quick Share on our Google Pixel 10a. Then over here you should be able to find nearby devices, or even your devices, of course, if you have an iPhone. And in that case, you should also go to the to AirDrop over here, and you need to switch to everyone for 10 minutes. So these are the instructions that you are supposed to do before it actually works, usually on Google Pixel 10, for example. And in this case, you are supposed to see that iPhone on the list of nearby devices. I suppose at least it should be nearby devices. But it doesn't show up, it doesn't work. I can of course try to do that again now that I have the AirDrop set to everyone, but it still doesn't work, it still doesn't show up. So perhaps there's going to be an update in the future. Maybe in the future Quick Share is going to work with AirDrop on Google Pixel 10a, but right now as I'm recording this video it seems that it is not enabled. You can also go to settings on your iPhone to go to the AirDrop settings, which you can of course find in general over here. And then you go to the AirDrop in here, and of course you can set everyone for 10 minutes as well. But as you can see, it doesn't work, unfortunately. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.